How to add WhatsApp link on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of One Two Step. If you're trying to add in the link of your WhatsApp, then let me quickly show you how it's done. Now firstly, if you don't know how you can copy the link of your WhatsApp, you can just open up your WhatsApp and you'll need to type in this link, which is https://wa.me/ and then you can enter in your phone number. Also make sure to include your country code, and whenever someone taps on this link, they'll be directly taken to your chat section. So if this is the link that you want to copy, then you can just type this in, copy this link, or if you want to copy the link of any group, you can also do it if you are the admin, so you have the option of inviting more people. After you have copied in the link, now you can open up your TikTok app. Now once you open up your app, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Now before you can add in any links to your TikTok bio, you'll need to have at least 1,000 followers. If you have 1,000 followers, then only you'll be able to add in clickable links. So tap on edit profile, and then here you should have an option of website. You can just tap open the website option and then paste in the link that you just copied. And then tap on save on the top right, and your clickable link of your WhatsApp will be easily added to your TikTok bio. And when someone taps on it, they will be directed to the link that you attached, whether it be your direct message section or the group that you want. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.